Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that in your App Store or in your iTunes Store, you might see the error that your payment method was declined. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to fix that, you just have to verify your billing address and your account info. Now to do that, what you have to do, you just have to simply open your settings app and the very first, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection and then go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back, go to language region, select region, and select your own region from here. Then go back from here, go to date and time, enable this toggle, the set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you have done, you just have to go back, open your app store, and just tap on the profile option at the top right. And here just tap on your Apple ID. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password here. And now on this screen, you just have to tap on Manage Payments. You have to edit your billing address and your payment method and your country or region, but I recommend you just have to delete your payment method from here. Just tap on your payment method and then tap on remove. Your payment method will be removed from your Apple ID or from your App Store. Once you have removed, just tap on this country or region option here. And here just select your own country or region in which you're living. Other country or region you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So I have selected this one, so let's say I'm gonna reselect this. Tap on this continue option here, then tap on agree at the top right. Now on this screen you have to re-add your payment method. You can re-add your previous payment method which you have deleted. You can also add a new one if you have. Then enter your billing address correctly. Enter your street. These two are optionals. You can skip them. Then enter your postcode or zip code if you don't know about that. So you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have a done option at the top right. And your payment method will be successfully updated. Your billing address will also be updated. So now you will not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix if your payment method was declined, error on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.